In the wake of the coronavirus pandemic, UNAIDS and RB Group joined forces to help protect people living with HIV across Africa. Working through the UNAIDS network, the partnership hopes to reach approximately 220,000 individuals across 22 countries in Africa with hygiene packs that contain a 3-month supply of Dettol bar soap and JIK bleach. RB's Regional Director for Health in Africa, Russell Taylor, joins us by video call to tell us a little bit more. A very good morning to you, Russell. Where are you calling us from?
Good morning. Thank you for having me on. I'm actually calling you from the UK today. I normally live in Johannesburg, but my family were in the UK as lockdown came into force, so I came home so I'd be with them. And I'm working from home, but still very much focused on South Africa and Africa.
It's such a pleasure having you this morning. Thank you for taking time out to join us. This is a wonderful, wonderful initiative. But how did you come up with this partnership with UNAIDS?
It's a great question. So at RB, we say that our fight is to ensure that there is access to high-quality hygiene, wellness and nourishment. And that's a right, not a privilege. So as obviously the situation has worsened globally, we've been looking as a company as to areas and ways in which we could support both our retailers and the partners we work with normally to sell our products, but also how we could support more vulnerable groups, people that might have a harder time getting access to that quality hygiene. And ultimately, we already had a fantastic partnership through our JIK brand with UNAIDS. So they were an existing partner. Yes. So it made a lot of sense to work with them to try and support people living with HIV who might be in more vulnerable groups and find it harder to get that access.
I love that you've mentioned that because we do know that people living with HIV are at a higher risk of contracting coronavirus. But what other social issues with regards to COVID-19 and HIV can this partnership be a solution to?
So there's a lot of things we don't know, honestly, globally about COVID-19. So there is no proof that people living with HIV are at higher risk, but based on anyone who has a suppressed autoimmune system, anyone who's living with a long-term condition, they are more likely to be at risk. And that's why we're supporting and focusing on that group. In addition to donating the product, we're obviously also driving education on high-quality hygiene. And that's going to be beneficial not just to the recipients of these donations, but also to their families, to the people that they're living with, and to their loved ones. So this is about education, as well as donation of superior hygiene.
I love that so much. I mean, I've mentioned earlier on that you hope to reach approximately 220,000 individuals across 22 countries. That's a massive commitment. But exactly how many packs will be distributed and what is inside the pack?
So the commitment we're making is for 3 months. So we're going to distribute every month to these individuals a care package. That care package will include 3 bars of Dettol bar soap, and 1 bottle of JIK bleach to help them with their hygiene needs for that month. And then when they come back to the UNAIDS clinic, they will receive a 2nd package and then a 3rd package. So it's really through our partnership with UNAIDS that we're able to get that massive access, which we wouldn't be able to do if we didn't have a great partner like them.
It's a great partnership indeed. Now, when are you starting with your distributions and where exactly are you starting?
So we are, the 22 countries are across all of Africa, from South Africa being the biggest recipient, but Nigeria, Kenya, Egypt, Lesotho, we're doing this everywhere where UNAIDS feels there is a need. We will be shipping hopefully this week product from our South African distribution center. So we're trying to race into action and make a difference immediately.
I absolutely love that. And also Africa is a developing country, so most of the people in it do not have access to these very essential items. So thank you so much for joining us this morning and shedding some light on this very important matter. We are looking forward to seeing this powerfully needed initiative come to life in aid of COVID-19. Enjoy the rest of your morning.
Great. Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
Let's protect the places we know our loved ones love, starting today so that we can protect who we love. Dettol.